Alright everyone, welcome to my unboxing video. Today we're checking out 25th Anniversary Edition. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. Look at that. So excited for this. Thank you, Konami. Alright, let's dig in here and see what we got. Wow, look at that. Oh, there we go. On top. All stacked up like that. Man, look at that. We got Blue Eyes White Dragon, Metal Raiders, Pharaoh Servant, Dark Crisis, Spell Ruler, and Invasion of Chaos. Oh, this is gonna be good. Alright, start off. Let's go with the 6 here. Look at that. Obelisk, the Tormentor. Let's dive in. Here we go. Look at that. Obelisk, cool. Oh, Slifer, the Sky Dragon, check it out. Winged Dragon of Ra, look at that. Perfect. We got Blue Eyes coming in. Oh, look at that art. And we got Dark Magician. Check it out. Oh. Red Eyes, Black Dragon. And then what we got? Oh, yes! Coming in clutch. 25th Century Secret Rare Edition. Blue Eyes White. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Wow. That is... Wow. Wow, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This thing feels different too. It's like a nice like coating on it. Wow. Look at that. See if we can get that again. Wow, look at that shot. Beautiful. Perfect. Set that off there. Alright, here we go. Start off with the Blue Eyes. It's been a while since I've done this, so... Look at that. Oh. Here we go. Let's do the count. Alright. Oh, 13th Grave, pulling that out. Perfect. Drooling Lizard, here we go. Violet Crystal, whoa. That is new to me. Steel Ogre Grotto 1. Red Medicine. Oh, look at that. Sweet. M Warrior. Look at that. Cool. And we got Flower Wolf. Interesting. Look at that. Fusion. Cool, dude. Nice. Nice Blue Eyes. There we go. Next up, Metal Raiders. Here we go. Alright, going in. All off the bat. Look at that. Haha. Look at that. Kaiserkin. Wow, dude, one of the gate Guardian of the Labyrinth. Wow. Dream Clown. Ooh. Morphin, Ocubeam. Castle of Dark Illusions. Woo! Oh, Ground Attacker. Lava Battle Guard. And White Magical Hat. Look at that. Oh, nice. Nice. Happy with that. I'll take that. Next up here, Pharaoh Servant. Here we go. Wait. All right, there we go. Let's just, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's just go from the top. Enchanted Javelin. Oh, cool, dude. Three-headed Guido. Look at that. Whoa, World Suppression. Overdrive. Ooh, Shallow Grave. Oh, look at that, dude. Heck yeah. Oh, nice. This is good. Wow. Nice. Look at that. Alright, then we got Dark Crisis. Here we go. Woo! Nice, dude. Alright, this is going. We're going in. Oh, heck yeah. Rod of the Mind's Eye. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Cool. Mirage Knight. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Wow, dude. There we go. Haha. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. Perfect. Alright. A couple more to go. Here we go. Spell Ruler. Look at that. Okay. Here we go. We're going in. Dark Zebra. Queen Bird. Stonehunger Grotto. Shining Angel. Woo, and coming in with the woohoo! Look at that. Bird. Ooh, Jack and Budokan. Ooh, he looks angry. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Nice. That is good. All right. Good one here today. And then we got this last pack. Last pack. Here we go. All right. This has been the 25th collection. Going in. Look, some Lord Poison. Ooh, off the bat. Oh, look at that. Dawn Turtle, Molten Zombie. Ooh, look at this guy. Crazy, dude. Crazy pull. Whoa, ho, ho. What is this one? Nice, dude. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got this. Wow. Nice. And Chaos End. Wow. Oh man. Can we do that? Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, oh man. Thank you guys for joining me today. There you have it. 25th anniversary edition Legendary Collection. Great pulls today. It's been great pulls today. This has been awesome. Wow. Thank you all. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content.